Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I am going to tell you about Autosnipe.ai where you can trade your favorite meme tokens with bot. This is completely auto trading. You just have to follow 3 steps only. First step, you have to connect your own wallet like Phantom, Solflare. Afterwards, second step is you have to create your own bot, and third step is activate and just stay and relax. The bot will work for you. The bot will generate profits for you. Complete details will be shared in this video. Stay tuned with the complete video to understand each and every concepts in the detail. I am sharing crypto stuffs on regular basis where you can check ETH update, BTC update, ETH price prediction, BTC price prediction, and so many earning opportunities has been posted on Amit Crypto YouTube channel. On this Telegram channel, you will get all crypto related updates immediately, so you will not miss any type of updates, any type of trade setups on Telegram channel. Let's get started on Autosnipe. Autosnipe.ai. This is completely for the automatic trading. If you want to automate your trading journey, then Autosnipe.ai will really help you. Now, how to get started with Autosnipe.ai? Now let's understand first. You have to create first Phantom wallet, or you can also create a Solflare wallet. Link of this bot has been shared in video's description. Simply you can use my link and start connecting wallet with any wallet, Phantom wallet or Solflare wallet. Let's say if you want to connect with Phantom wallet, make sure you have some amount in wallet, then you can easily connect your wallet and start sniping on Autosnipe.ai. Now I want to connect my wallet with Autosnipe.ai. I am clicking on connect and snipe. Here is 2 options, Phantom, Solflare. I want to go with Phantom wallet. Afterwards it will ask to connect. Just click the connect button. Okay, now main thing is that deposit breach. You can breach from Phantom wallet to Autosnipe.ai. I want to go with the available Solana. I have 0.065 Solana in my Phantom wallet. I just have to click the deposit button. After clicking the deposit button, it will again confirm the deposit action. Now you can check here, deposit successful, 0.06 Solana is available. Now let's understand step by step how we can create a bot and activate. Here you can check list of pairs are available. Here are different categories are available. Pump.fun pairs, AI sniper, copy trading, top pairs, redeem pairs, moonshot pairs. Here you can check the holdings. We don't have any holdings currently. Okay, so these are the all categories. AI sniper at hyper speed. Activate AI sniper to unautomatically while you sleep. Now we will take a look on how to create a bot. Create a sniper. Just click on the create a sniper. I am going to create a bot. Bot name is safe. Here I am keeping the same option, coin, pair, platform, Radium, and any platform I want to go with. And afterwards, this is the listing type. I want to keep as a new. Minimum liquidity in Sol is 1 Sol. Now my bot is successfully created with name safe. Now I have to go with activating the bot. Here you can check I am keeping the all options as it is. You can check my activated sniper. Okay, now my bot is successfully started. Bot is successfully activated. With this way you can create your own bot and trade the meme tokens with available percentage, with available liquidity. Here are list of pairs are available, list of meme coins are available. You can trade any category, AI sniper, and here you can check Radium pairs, moonshot pairs. I have created safe bot with minimum risk. You can go with the highest percentage. With these simple steps, you can connect your wallet with Phantom and you can create your own bot and activate and automate your trading journey with Autosnipe.ai. Referral link is given in the video's description. You can go with my referral link and start your trading journey with Autosnipe.ai. Hopefully we will see in the next video. That's it for today. Bye.